Fair warning, beware.
Yo, rest in peace, Big P. You did a lot when you were alive, man. I just bust a shot anytime I look back and look at reality. Anytime I do it, it's okay, cause I got the fluid motion, liquid in my brain. Anytime I just do it, man, I feel insane. Man, I'm flowing like a motherfucking maniac. Anytime I do it, man, I just react and I snap back like a Glock bursting at your head. Man, I just wanna get the hearse and lay you dead. Man, what the fuck? I'm never going anywhere unless I got the chrome. Leave you back in the home and you just know what is up when you're fucking bleeding from the heart. Man, it hurts like dirt in the face. Anytime you do it, it's for your motherfucking race. But it's just a little bit of a rat race. In this game we live, it's all to the bids. And I got a little bit of advice. Man, what the fuck is that about the mice? No, never. Cause I got a lot, and if I was lying, man, I would be shot in the brain. Oh, everywhere, man, just do it for me and you will got no cares in your brain. Anytime I do it, man, I just stay right fucking fluid. Then I sip a brew for a few. I like to get a little bit fucked in the brain. Every time I do it, it's in my veins running, and I just feel the Mary Jane creeping on me when I just flow. It's the dro in my brain speaking for the leaking of the fucking rivers and the severance. So what the fuck? I'm not doing much, but I got the buck, and I will do it if I got straight luck. It's the day that I get paid, so you know what that means when I throw the 5. Let's get motherfucking higher than ever. Never going anywhere unless I'm high, cause it's not very fun and you see much do it. Okay, man, I just need some H2O to get to where I got to go. Man, I'm just feeling intoxicated already, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. Man, who's got the wallet of my money? It's kinda funny when I look in the morning and it's all fucking gone. Oh shit, man, I just wanna know, where the hell did that shit go last night, man? I almost got into a fight twice with the same motherfucker who just grabbed a knife. Ugh, and I'm feeling very sick. Anytime I do it, man, I just want to flip and rip a clip and never go anywhere. Anytime I do it, man, I pull my hair out of my scalp and I just grab it back. What the fuck is that? Give me the backpack strapped with the grams of the fat sacks. Buddha man has blessed me and I just do this. Okay, man, I just keep doing it. Anytime I'm not, man, I'm just ruin it. Like the Bruins sowing a goal. Oh, what the fuck, man? I just don't know. Damn, I'm out of breath. Fucking A.